guys, this is the one and only expert dating coach Annabella Rose here from karmalifestyles.com. Today I'll be talking to you about alpha male strategies and 10 dating commandments that all alpha males use to put a spell on women. Alpha males are the kings of the jungle. They understand the rules of the game and will never lose in any fight. They are assertive, competitive, and have a foundation of personal principles that guide them on how they relate to others. With it comes the women. They have the Holy Grail with these commandments. They follow that always leaves them getting the girl, if not the girls. Most alpha males have these commandments in their hearts and have turned them into a way of life. Here are 10 dating commandments that all alpha males use. You want the girl, but you don't need her. Alpha males are always a step ahead in most things. And when it comes to relationships, they get into one not because they're lonely, but because they want to and think it's the right time to share their lives with someone. They know that they have something to add into this relationship and don't have anything to get out of it. They want to give themselves. If it fails to work, alpha males don't get emotional about it and quit believing in love. They find someone else and try sparking something new. They never change their lives. Once in relationships, most average guys start liking things we like so that you can have things in common or so that she can like you more. They quit pursuing their interest and think about what their girlfriend is doing and start something new with her. Alpha males have no time for such idiocy. They stick to their way of life and make their women try to fit in with his lifestyle. He's always busy and hit with his things and never stops having time for his friends. He knows who he is. The alpha male knows who he is, what he stands for, and what he believes in. He doesn't let women define him. Generic men don't know who they are and what they want in life. That's why many depend on their women to guide them on what they can become. Alpha males don't ever consider this an option. They know that they want and can only be guided if they know it will make him better. Even then, he knows it's up to him. Call the shots. Now, I know it sounds controlling, but we want a man who makes the decisions. That's why we love Siri. No girl wants an indecisive man. We want someone who has already planned for a date and only takes you there compared to someone who asks you where you want to go. This makes your girl have confidence in you, and she knows that you have her back every time she needs you. You become solution orientated. Know how to say no. Most guys are nice guys. The men who always say yes to please the girl, even when it costs you your respect. Alpha males know that the word no has power. Saying no to your woman lets her know that your yes is deserved and gives her a challenge, always making her want to earn your yes. The alpha male knows that no shows that you have a stance and you cannot easily be swayed. Keep fit. Alpha males know that power is outward and inward, so they invest in their physical strength as well as their minds. Most alpha males hit the gym and build up to that body that shows they are in control just by entering a room. Be spontaneously passionate. Alpha males have an innate passion and know how much it turns on women. Hold her in the public even if she's shy. Kiss her when she least expects it. And make love in the most unexpected places. Alpha males know that bending the rules in romance is key and they ensure that you're impulsive. Don't be too emotional. Now, I'm sure you know the story of dangling the string above a kitten. It will always play along as long as it doesn't get hold of the whole string. Once it does, then it gets boring and leaves the string. This is the same with women. The alpha male knows that the woman should never know how he feels, so that she can still play with his string. Never be predictable. Alpha males are a lot of fun because you can't tell what they will do next. They know life on the rails excites women, and they will never allow themselves to be predictable. Alpha males wake up in the morning and shout, "Babe, I got some bikinis for you. Get ready, we'll be in the beach in 2 hours." You come first. It may sound selfish, but it's the truth. Alpha males never get heartbroken, even if they were in love. They avoid the heartbreak by putting themselves first. From the beginning, they know that the only permanent thing is themselves and decide to love with their minds. With that, they ensure that their heart is free from heartache. Write these commandments in your mind and heart, and be sure to thank me when you see the magic results on your personality and your relationships. Well guys, that's all from me today. Gents, please check out our Alpha Male program by clicking the link below or clicking the card above. Gents, never forget women can't resist a man with alpha male characteristics and will pursue those who display those traits. Learning alpha male qualities will change your dating life forever. In addition, these skills are applicable and they'll roll over into everyday aspects of life, making you more successful socially and professionally. Gents, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you want to work one-on-one with me, send me an email to annabella@karmalifestyles.com. I've been Annabella Rose and I will see you next time.